Hello guys, my name is Angga Rizky, and in this video we will design the game UI design. We will design the button. Okay, before we go away, we have I have prepared the color using the Adobe Color CC, or you can find out more like a cooler adobe.com. Okay, this is my Awon template, Awon themes. Okay, we will working with this color later. Okay, going to your Photoshop and create file and new. After that, select the document type is custom and the width 500, height 500, then okay. And now create the background first using the rectangle tool, and we resize it using the CTRL-T. Okay, and now setting up the background color will be I think green. Copy and going to layer and double click on your layer. Okay, now we will create the buttons using the rounded rectangle tool. Okay, and sorry kita ulang. We repeat again, and using your rounded rectangle tool and create the okay, and change the color, just example color. And now we're going to create the button using the orange color. Okay, I will take it, the orange color, copy and change. Okay, and now duplicate the layer and move, and change the color first to be the different color, and drag the layer in above, and using the shift key and arrow down on your keyboard. Don't using the shift key, just arrow down 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and now duplicate again, duplicate layer, and using the shift key and change the color to be dark. Copy and alright, and now we group layers, top background, and now duplicate the top background to be bottom background, and the top background we move into above the bottom background group, and we're going to resize it using the soft transform controls. Okay, and move, select two layers and going to center. Okay, and good. And in the bottom background group, we're going to add effects, the drop shadow, and setting up the spread will be 12 and the size 12. Okay, and now going top background and give and duplicate this layer and change the color to be dark. Okay, we zoom it, resize the layer using the show transform control. Okay, and move it. Okay guys, like this. Okay, and now change the color of bottom background to be brown. This is your codes, hex codes. Change the bottom background and change the change. Okay, and now going to top background group and change the last rotated and click here and change to be smooth. Okay guys, this is the background, and now going to create the ornaments like the sign or like the border using the ellipse tool, using the rounded rectangle tool, and move here, draw here and change to be white and setting the opacity to be 12 and duplicate and going to move tool and resize it using the show transform control and move to right. Okay guys, like this. And the last steps, we're going to create the ornament border like inside the top background using the rectangle tool and draw and change the color to be okay, the code is IA9A06. okay, and now so transform control and rotate using the shift key. When you rotate the rectangle using the shift key and duplicate and using the CTRL-G for duplicate quickly. And we duplicate it. Okay guys, here we go, and select all layer, once more, and going to merge layer, merge shapes, and create clipping mesh and move the layer into top background group and create clipping mesh. Here we go, your buttons, and so cute. I talk so. We're going to group it button master. This button recommended for farmer game or like a game the green or the farmer or anything else. Okay guys, congratulations, you have designed this Photoshop UI design game button. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you from Angga Rizky. Goodbye.